If you ever wondered how to achieve those striking, veiny hands, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve those veiny hands as a guy. But here's the catch, it's not just about genetics, it's about unlocking the secrets to make those veins pop. So get ready to unveil the science tips and trick behind achieving veiny hands that will leave everyone asking, how did he do that? Part 1. Understanding veiny hands. Before we begin, let's grasp what causes veiny hands. Veiny hands are primarily influenced by genetics and body composition. People with lower body fat percentages often have more visible veins because there's less fat between the skin and veins. This allows veins to show through. Part 2. Diet and hydration. Your diet is a crucial factor in achieving veiny hands. Here's what you need to do. Number 1. Low body fat. To make your veins more prominent, aim for a lower body fat percentage. This can be achieved through a balanced diet that helps reduce excess body fat. Focus on a diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water a day can help keep your veins visible, as dehydration can lead to a decrease in blood volume, making veins less noticeable. Part 3. Cardio and exercise. Exercise plays a pivotal role in enhancing vascularity. Number 1. Cardio workouts. Incorporate cardiovascular exercise into your routine. Activities like running, cycling, and swimming promote a better blood flow, which can help make veins more visible. Number 2. Hand and forearm exercises. To make your hand veins pop, strengthen your hand and forearm muscles. Consider exercises like hand grips or wrist curls. Part 4. Temperature and blood flow. Temperature and blood flow can impact the visibility of veins. Number 1. Warm up. Temporary dilation of blood vessels can make veins more noticeable. You can achieve this by warming up your hands, perhaps with a warm towel or by simply rubbing them together. Number 2. Cold exposure. Conversely, exposing your hands to cold temperatures can constrict blood vessels, temporarily reducing vein visibility. Part 5. Vein enhancing creams. There are topical products that can enhance vein appearance. Some creams can temporarily improve vein visibility when applied to the skin. These products work by making the veins appear closer to the skin surface. Part 6. Patience and realistic expectations. Remember that not everyone can achieve highly veiny hands. Genetics play a significant role in vein visibility. Some individuals naturally have more visible veins due to their genetic makeup.